It is so cold outside that my glove is frozen solid. My hands are gonna be so cold today. Listen to this. Oh my gosh, it's so cold outside today. It's not supposed to get above freezing all day, but I'm bringing the boys lunch. They're over there working hard. So, anyway, here we go. And there's Uncle B.
Let's go eat before we pass out.
There's sexy James. Look at him. Don't shake the camera. Uncle B, troublemaker. Hi, babe.
I'm hungry.
Good. I brought food. You look sexy. And okay, they put the soffit in over there on that part of the garage. It's looking great. This is what James got done yesterday all by himself. He got that soffit there on the back of the house and all that aluminum coil stock put on. And that's actually the back of the garage, not the back of the house. James also got all the railing done and finished yesterday by himself. This back part wasn't done, but he got it finished. It looks really good. So now 100% of the railing is up around the entire complete wraparound porch, which is really nice because now I can let the kids over here and let them run around on the porch and I don't have to worry about their safety. So I'm really, really excited about that. Look at these hard-working men eating lunch. Hot soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. How is it, Uncle B?
It was burnt.
Oh, whatever. I'll kick you in the head. Hi, babe.
What's up?
How cold is it outside today?
It's 25, feels like 5.
Because it's windy. We're going to get these boys back to work. I don't let them take a long break. Outside, I literally cannot feel my fingers. I'm on this ladder here, woohoo, and I'm putting all the beads in the windows again, these little tiny white beads that I've done before. I'm putting all of them in the windows on the garage because those aren't done yet. I almost can't talk because my lips are so cold and my fingers are so cold. I really cannot feel my fingers at all, but I can't wear gloves when I'm doing this because then I can't get the little white beads in the little holes. So anyway, I'm just gonna have frostbite, I guess. They're working on putting this metal starter strip around the bottom of the garage so they can put the siding on. They have to get it perfectly level. It's literally snowing right now. Did you see that snowflake?
That's not snow.
What was it?
It's the water molecules in the air freezing and falling because it's so cold.
It is really cold. They're getting the metal pieces on. And then they also have these corner pieces on too. Working on the siding on the garage.
I'm holding it. Are you holding it? I think so.
It's snowing. Woo! It feels good to be out of the cold. It is cold outside. But I just picked up the boys from my parents and now we're at Menards picking up supplies. So anyway, we're going in shopping for our garage door. We're picking them up today. We ordered them a few weeks ago and they're finally in, so we're here getting them. Now we are driving through the outdoor area where we pick up supplies from Menards. These boys in this car are crazy. Oh. Another nasty, rainy January day. Oh boy, it is a nasty day, and I got both the boys out running errands. I worked the past 4 days at the hospital, and James worked the past 4 days too. So except for a few hours he spent on the house last night, we did not make any progress on the house this week. So we have a lot to get done this weekend, but it's raining. So there's that. Anyway, I'm out with the boys, and we are running to the place that we get all of our building supplies from, Kelly Brothers, because I have to pay our bill. And then we are also heading to Owington Barn and Metal, which is where we get all of our metal from, the Amish place out here in Owington, Kentucky. And I'm picking up one last piece of metal for something on the porch. So we're out running errands, and then we'll be hopefully getting a lot of stuff done today in the rain. I don't think we will ever get tired of driving on these country back roads. Look at these views. And of course, Elias has to stop and say hi to the cows every time we see cows, which is a lot. When we're driving out here in the country, it's like every other house has cows. And he's like, oh, cows, more cows. Oh God. So this here is Kelly Brothers in Owington, Kentucky, and this is where we get all of our building supplies. All right, now this is Owington Barn and Metal, where we get, yeah, Owington Barn, where we get all of our metal supplies. I feel like I'm suddenly in Gatlinburg.
Look, Mommy, smoke.
That's fog.
Fog.
But it is kind of like the Great Smoky Mountains. Okay. I'm here at the house dropping off lunch of champions to Donald Duck and James. It is raining really hard right now. I'm getting rained on. Ah! We are here in the house, and there is a lot of drywall done, so I'm going to show you guys. And this handsome boy's eating his Big Mac. And Darren's here! He survived his shoulder surgery.
Yep.
Uncle Darren, say hi.
I don't, hey, my sling's not on, hun. It's just because I took it off the drive, that's all.
He doesn't have a sling on today. Anyway, here's the drywall. So this here that you're looking at is the living room. This is an exposed beam that we're going to stain, but anyway. So this is the catwalk and the loft. We got all this done. Holes for our recessed lighting. That's where the fireplace is going to be. And then hallway here. Laundry room, closet, master bedroom. The master bedroom is done. Look at those ceilings. They go up so high.
It's messy. We better clean up.
It's messy in here, we better clean up. This is the view from the living room. You can see over into the kitchen there, where the seating area is going to be. You can see the little hallway there. And then up there where the catwalk is, in the boys' rooms, all the ceiling is done. Looks so good.
Good day, guys.
You too, see
I
ya.
might stop in later, but I might not too.
Whoa!
What's
You're walking with your
She's about ready to fall off the edge.
She's being smart allocation.
Yeah.
She's just saying that, look over there, my shoulder looks great.
The HVAC work is all done in the basement, and it looks great.
Come on, Mom.
All right, let's go outside. You ready? To the rain.
We're working on putting on the aluminum up here. You can see right here, all around this beam, I've wrapped it, used a brake, and I wrapped it to the beam there.
Looks good.
It's going to be difficult to seam them up in the corners here. Right here. So,
Oh yeah, I see.
if anybody knows the solution, let us know, because we're using caulk.
But you got a lot done.
And it's going to be hard just to trim it out with quarter round, because you got to trim here, there, the back side, around to here, up to the top. It'd be
You have to
very
trim it all.
cumbersome. So
But you got a lot done. Is everything over here trimmed?
for now, yeah, right now it is.
Oh, that looks great. It's all wrapped. Good. So we just measured and marked the aluminum trim coil stock. Now we're going to work on bending it and cutting it.
First things first. Let's see, I need to get the longest piece possible out of this brake. 125. We'll go with that. That's what I marked here. So
Okay.
now we can cut it. This stuff you can cut with a knife. Just
That
kidding.
was fake. I know you better than that.
That's what guys at work do. They cut their hands and they screw up everything for everyone else.
When your friends from work see this, they are going to be so annoyed with you.
Now,
Ta-da.
so we want to make all of our marks first. This part gets difficult.
All right. You cut those ears out on each side. Okay. Now what?
Now I put it in the brake and we got to make another cut.
Okay. Hi, Elias.
Hi.
Now he's scoring it just like he's done before. Now he's gonna make his first bend in the middle.
You got to bend the other side. There it is. Now we take it around front here and we dry fit it.
Perfect.
That's it.
That's it. Then you nail it up.
Take your trim nails and nail at the top so you don't put nails anywhere where you can see it.
Smart. So you got to do this about 50 more times.
Pretty much. Yeah, it sucks.
So that takes about 20 minutes to do one of those, and we honestly have to do probably about 40 of those. I got both boys with me, and we are headed over to the house. We've been back to at the camper for the past few hours because it's been raining really bad. So we're finally coming back to see what the guys have been doing.
Here.
Yeah, Peppy is here. Let's go see what they've been doing. Here we go. It ended up being a beautiful evening after a horribly rainy day. Elias is running for Pappy and screaming, Pappy. Come on, Levi, come on. All right, they got the siding started over on this side of the garage. They've started it on the front of the garage, got all that J-channel on there. And then they are also working over on this side of the garage.
Usually push them up and let them. You got the wrong end there, mister.